Alright guys, what's up YouTube? Thanks to Nick hooking me up again. I went to Grimmspeed's website. They didn't have it. So I went to Nick from New Provisions Racing and they actually had it in stock. So that was pretty cool. It's the actual aftermarket downpipe gasket adapter. Because I do have Grimmspeed's well, I mean, you guys saw the other video. I have Grimmspeed's catted J pipe. Going to do that today. Also, the parent charge pipe. Then gonna put back the Double Racing top mount in the cooler. So that's the parts for today. I'm trying to see how this thing. Okay. Yep. See? Grimmspeed. Thank you. I think the name is Clark again. Like I said, another Grimmspeed sticker. I got a lot. This is what I'm looking at right here. This guy. So I'm actually going to be using this. Comes with the hardware as well, so because that is going to be going, that's going to connect to that's going to, this is where, yeah, so it's a, what was it, 3 to 3, find out. We'll find out when we go ahead and put this in. 3-inch Subaru aftermarket downpipe to OEM cap bag. Let's see how this works. I just bought it because just in case, for some reason, I can't hook up the J pipe to the carbon cap bag. I do have the other Grimmspeed adapter for. Now that adapter kit is right now sitting with the factory downpipe, so we'll see how this one works out first, and hopefully I don't have to get a new gasket. So because they did supply with the other gaskets as well on the J pipe kit. So other than that, should be relatively. Like I said, it should be just an easy install. Like I said, I'm gonna spend all day. I want to make sure everything is good to go, especially for the charge pipe and the top mount intercooler, because that's where I had to fix the leaks. The charge pipe, the factory charge pipe was loose, and then the clamps, the clamp on the charge pipe was totally loose. It was wiggling back and forth. And then the turbo inlet hose was also not put back on. So that's the reason why I was throwing my cold. So it had nothing to do with the exhaust, which I assumed it was the exhaust because the exhaust was the only thing I didn't check. But other than that, everything looks good. So let's hop into the install.